Hello, I am Yu Birkov and let's create a new invoice in QuickBooks program. Receive payment and view the amount of client's debt in QuickBooks program. Let's start. Let's find the sales center. On the left panel, find invoices, click, and we are inside of invoices list. Let's click Create Invoice. Now we're watching a window with fields for future invoice. Let's start to add customer. Click Arrow. Click Add New. Now we will create a new customer in QuickBooks program. Click Name and Contact. Let's write the name company. Click Save. Let's choose the net 15 days. Let's choose new invoice date 20. Let's add a service. Click Arrow and click plus Add New. Let's look at the right panel. Click Service. Write name the service. You can add description for sales form. You can add sales price. I will not change income account and will not change sales tax. I click Save and Close. I am at rate $35,000. Let's click Save. Now we watch program calculate a tax sales. Total amount of our invoices will 37,800. Let's click Review and Send. I want to talk you if via QuickBooks account has connection with email. You can send your new invoices via email for your customer. I click Close and we watch our new invoices in QuickBooks program in invoices list. Let's check our invoices in QuickBooks report customer balance summary. I offer you find on the left panel report. Choose standard reports. Let's use a search. I tap customer. We find customer balance summary. Let's choose a date. Custom dates 20. Let's find no river logistics. And now we watch the debt of our client no river logistic 37,800. Remember this amount. And let's back to Invoices Center. Find Sales. Choose Invoices. Let's find no river logistics. Look. And I show you interesting hyperlink called Receive Payment. I want to talk you if you don't have connection with online bank in QuickBooks program and you have paper bank statement, you can use this feature. Click Receive Payment. Now you watch a customer no river logistic, payment date, amount, and outstanding invoices. Let's choose Visa for the saving. Deposit to saving. And let's click Save and Close. Let's back to Report Center. Report, Standard Reports. Search again. Customer Balance Summary. Let's choose the date. Custom date 20. And let's find no freebie logistic. Now you can watch after when we created bank transaction, debt of our client disappear. Our task for today is done. I wish you good luck in your job. Bye bye.